Good day everyone, especially to Mom Rodriguez. My name is Gina Witin. My topic is measure of central tendency. So measure of central tendency are statistical tools used to summarize a set of data points with a single value that represent the center of the data distribution. So, ang measure of central tendency is refer siya sa statistical method na ilang ginagamit para ma-identify ang isa ka value o ma-present dadto sa center or typical value sa ilahang database. So, na siya ay 3 main ay mode, medium, and mean. So, first is mode. Most frequently occurring score is the in a database useful with a categorical data or state distribution. Mode estimation formula for a group data. So, ang mode daw is ginagamit siya sa gara or ginadali nila pagawas ang kantidad sa ilang database. Pwede siya may moong isara or dagan or wala. So, naaday tayo formula. So, muna yung formula sa mode. And then, ang L is a lower boundary of the model class. Ang F1 is frequency of the model class is the class with the highest frequency. Ang F0 is frequency of the class before the model class. Ang F2 is frequency of the class after the model class. Ang H is the class with interval size. So, natay medium and then mean. Ang medium middle value is mas better, mas magamit ka git sketch. Ang mean is unlimited average sensitive to outlier. Means is a widely used but may not always be appropriate. Medium offer a better central value at some distribution. So, ang medium daw is a middle value. And then, ang mean daw is siya ang di bali maghatag og result all average actos sa imuhang database. So, naatay level of measurement. Nominal is mga categories niya is mga gender. So, gayos siya sa mga mode. And then, ang ordinal is order categories or mga ranking. Ang niya ginagamit is medium or mode. Ang interval is equal interval. So, mga about sa mga temperature. So, gagamit siya og medium, mean, or mode. Ang radio is a true 0 point or mga test score is gagamit siya all measure of use. So, naatay central tendency at choice depende on the data level. So, nakadepende lang daw ang central tendency kung gabis na po siya sa iyahang data unsa ka level. So, a practical example is test data analyzed to determine a mode, graph interval used for estimation, software output, SPSS, or confirm mode to 42.00 point, reinforced formula based on calculation accuracy. So, ipakita na ko ang mode formula the next. Now we learn how to calculate the mode for group data. We'll use this formula. This is highlight the formula of mode. This formula helps us estimate the mode when our data is grouped into interval. I will show the data table with class, interval, and frequency. To use the formula, we need to identify this value. Lower boundary or L is 44, and then the lowest of interval is 39.5. So midpoint between is 39 and 40. So ang frequency 1 is 10. Then ang frequency before the model class is 6. Ang frequency 2 is 8. Ang age or the width of the each interval is the 5 open parenthesis 44 minus 39 equal 5 close parenthesis. Let's plug the value into our formula. So here are a solving or para panangitaon na to ang 24.00. So 39.5 plus 10 minus 6, 2 and 10 minus 6 minus 8 and times 5. Now let's calculate the step by step. First is 10 minus 6 equal 4. Second is open parenthesis 2 and 10 close parenthesis minus 6 minus 8 and equal 6. 4 divide 6 equal 0.6667 acromegaly. 4 is 0.6667 times 5 equal 3.3335. The last step is 39.5 plus 3.335 equal 42.8335. Our calculations give us a mode of approximately 42.83 point. The final answer presented made by 42 due to rounding for simplicity. The formula provides an estimate of the mode for group theta. Minor variations are expected. Therefore, we can conclude that the mode is approximately 42. And I thank you.